Why did you guys come down?
Freedom of
to,
speech.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
When
what
he
do you
treads
think?
on me, baby, that's the end of it. It was my rules. I won't tell you what I do.
What do you think about what's happened to Chick-fil-A in the
I think
last
it's-
couple of days?
I think it's terrible because the man just puts his opinion and now he's criticized.
Yeah.
And the government's going to say to him, well, you can't have your place here because your opinion is different than mine or ours.
Right. And yet we want we want to raise employment, but don't build
Well,
your store here in our
That's
city.
right. I mean, here, this employer employs gay people, employs white people, employs black people, everybody. You know, you could be an atheist and he still serves you or hires you. It doesn't make any difference.
Right.
But he may not like it. He may
Yeah.
say, hey, I don't agree with your philosophy. But, that's
freedom
my
of
opinion.
speech.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know what? You could have a different philosophy and you could say, hey, I like gays or whatever, and I don't like gays. That's your right.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
And not only that, I'm not going to hurt them because I have a different
Right.
opinion.
Yeah.
You know,
Good.
Freedom
Good.
of speech.
Well, the lines just keep getting longer here. It's amazing. I couldn't get in